Day 23 of the Dear Daughter devotion. Today's devotion title is Failure. Actually, it's Failure? If you want to read more Bible verses that go with this devotion, you can read Luke chapter 3 verses 15 to 20. He must increase, but I must decrease. John 3:30. There was once a man whose name was John. To some, the story of his life could look like a failure. John was a preacher at first. Crowds came to hear him. Hundreds repented and were baptized. But then another greater leader came along. Most of John's followers left him and went over to the new leader. Disaster dogged John's life. A hate-filled king threw him into a prison and eventually had him beheaded. John believed a glorious truth that you and I also need. He put it into these words: He must increase, but I must decrease. John 3:30. Jesus is one who must increase. Our old sinful flesh must decrease. Call it not failure when trials come along that help to crucify our flesh. The believer's life is not a failure if in some small way it glorifies and magnifies Christ. Paul says in 2 Corinthians 4:11, We which live are always delivered unto death for Jesus' sake, that the life also of Jesus might be made manifest in our mortal flesh. So let us be like John the Baptist, cheerfully content to be a failure, that Christ may become all in all. Our failures quite often are his triumph. Now, thanks be unto God, which always causeth us to triumph in Christ. 2 Corinthians 2:14. And that's day 23 of the Dear Daughter devotion. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.